Hi, welcome to TFR Let's Talk, and this is your host Sapni Bhartia. My next guest is Adam Parco, VP of Engineering at Mirantis. Adam, it's great to have you back on the show.
Yeah, thanks. Love being here.
Let's talk about the already beaten topic of Dockershim depreciation, and there's a lot of panic in the market. Most of it, as we talked last time, is valid. Some of it is not. So let's start and just refresh memories of our viewers that what does it all mean for Docker, for Kubernetes, and for Mirantis users.
If no one did anything, anyone who was going to continue to use Docker engine as their runtime of choice inside a Kubernetes cluster, that would no longer work anymore. So what Mirantis has done and heard the community's, concerns, we've decided to pick up the open source project, which was Dockershim, and we've created a new open source project called cri-dockerd D, and that will facilitate people going forward to be able to continue to use any Docker API compatible engine with Kubernetes. So what we're doing is we're building that into our Mirantis Kubernetes engine, and also having the cri-dockerd D open source, so anyone who wants to use it can pick it up and build it in and use it.
So if I look at cri-dockerd, is it like a stopgap just for now for all those people who are through the transition, or this is going to be around for a very long time?
Oh yeah, it's going to be around for a very long time for us. So we're building it directly into Mirantis Container Runtime, which is a very, very popular and very secure container runtime. So we want to bring that forward and maintain full support for this runtime in any Kubernetes cluster. So we're taking some steps to get there slowly. First is going to be kind of like a standalone daemon that does that shim, and eventually it'll be baked right in. It'll be transparent, and to all our customers who are using MKE, when 1.23 Kubernetes finally ships that deprecates Dockershim, we'll be updating and patching our Mirantis Container Runtime Engine 20.10 with that cri-dockerd D daemon. Everything will just work.
What roadmap do you have for cri-dockerd? Are you going to keep it as a Mirantis project, or you will see if any foundation makes more sense for it?
I don't think we would be opposed to contributing it if there was interest in the community. The reason we kind of picked it up in the first place was it was looking for a home, I guess, and we wanted to make sure our customers felt secure and supported, and the community as well felt supported. So we've taken on that effort, but we'd always be willing to work with the community. We already are today, but if any foundations are interested in the donation, we'd love to hear from them.
Adam, thank you so much for taking time out today and talk about Dockershim, and I look forward to talk to you again. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for having me.